In this video I'm going to show you how to set up and run a Vue JS project. So the first thing I'm going to do is open the web browser. I'm going to use Google Chrome. Type in the search node.js and then go to the website. It should be the first link. To install Vue JS you're going to need Node. As you may have Node.js installed, I'll go through the installation quickly. Click the Get Node.js button. Click the Windows Installer button. Open up the Node installer. So all you have to do is press the Next and Install buttons through the steps. Next, accept the terms, click Next, 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 Install, and finally click the Finish button. Back on the web browser, type in the search Vue.js, and it should be the first site. Click on it, and you'll be on the Vue.js homepage. Click on the Install button. On the quick startup section, if you just scroll down and go to the section titled Creating a Vue Application. So what you want to do is copy this command, so click on the clipboard to copy that. Now we need to access the command prompt, so if you click the start icon, type in the search CMD, then left click on the open option for command prompt. Right click the mouse button to paste the command, and then hit the enter key to run the command. You'll get this OK to proceed question. Press the enter key. So you'll be asked to name the project. I'm going to call it Vue-project. Then press the enter key. So you can select features to add to the Vue project. I'm going to skip these features and then press the enter key. You will be asked for experimental features. Again, I'm going to skip this and press the enter key. So the next question will ask you to skip the example code. So hit the enter key to include it, and the project will be created. It should be in your user folder if you didn't change the directory. So the next step is to open up the project in Visual Studio Code. So double click Visual Studio Code. To open the Vue project, go to File and select Open Folder. So go to your user folder, left click the Vue-project folder once, and then left click the Select Folder button. You'll now see the file structure for the Vue project. For Vue projects, you typically code in the src folder. So if I open up the src folder, you can see all the Vue files here. So I'm going to open up the terminal within Visual Studio Code. So to do that, click View, then select the terminal option. The default option would be PowerShell, but you need to switch it to command prompt in order to get Node working. So click on the down arrow next to the plus icon and then left click the command prompt option. We need to install the Node dependencies. You could do that by typing in npm install and hit the enter key. You will notice a new folder in your project called node_modules. So this folder will contain all the installed modules that we just added. So the next command to run in the terminal is npm run dev, then press the enter key. You'll be presented with a URL where you can view the project. So hold down the control key and then left click on the URL, and the Vue.js project will be loaded in the browser. So I'm going to show you how to update the project template. So go back to Visual Studio Code. In the src folder, open up the app.vue. So I'm going to change the text message that you see in the website to something else. So I'm going to put in hello world with 3 exclamation marks. Hold down the control key and then press S to save the file. If you go back to the web browser, you'll see the change has been applied. Because that command is running in the terminal, every code change you make will automatically apply in the browser. Leave a comment below if you have any queries, any issues, and thanks for watching.